This latest release of DecoNetwork includes some great new features for team stores. Let's jump in and take a look. From our admin dashboard, we'll click into Websites, and we'll manage the team store that we've already set up. Let's go ahead and view this site on the front end. As you know, DecoNetwork has already allowed you to create some great looking websites that allow your customers to browse their specific products. To make management of these team stores easier, we've added the ability to set store open and close dates. You can now set a specific date when you want that store to open up and start taking orders, and a date when you want that store to close and prevent further purchases. This makes it really easy when managing stores whose orders will be batch produced at the end of that order run. Coinciding with these new closed store options, we've enhanced the website pages editor to take this even further. Campaign stores have already had the ability to display a countdown timer, and we've now added a dedicated countdown timer widget that can be dropped into any affiliate store. You'll find that under the Advanced section of the Widgets tab. Dropping the widget onto a page that already has a store close date configured will automatically start counting down to that store's close date. You can also configure the countdown timer widget to count down to a specific custom date. The widget has a couple different design layouts to choose from and is fully customizable. Lastly, here in the website pages editor, we've added a new store close page for you to configure. That's the page that your site will display when it reaches the store close date. You can find that new page under the Other section of System Pages. Jumping back onto the store management page, let's take a look at some of the other enhancements related to team stores. In this latest update, you'll find some options related to decorated products under Administration. We now allow you as the fulfillment center to enable benefits like ignoring screen setup fees, ignoring minimum quantity rules, overriding commission amounts for products, and allowing products to sell at a price lower than the calculated wholesale price. Let's head over to the decorated product section and take a look at an example. I'll go ahead and configure the first item in my list and jump straight into the Cost tab. DecoNetwork has previously already allowed you to set a custom selling price for your decorated products. However, prior to this update, you could only sell as low as your calculated wholesale price. Starting with this update, you can now sell lower than the calculated wholesale price. And because in cases like these, you'll end up with a negative commission amount, we now also allow you to enter a custom commission amount for each product. This makes it a lot easier to set up your custom products at a specific selling price that you've agreed to with the store owner. Let's go ahead and save this change. As you can see, this collection of new features allows you to more easily manage team stores and relaunch them in the future, and makes the experience for your customer more dynamic.